Hi, my name is Linda. When I was in Thailand, I fell in love with Thai coconut soup during a trip to Thailand, where I indulged in bowls of this comforting dish at street food stalls and restaurants. Recreating this recipe at home always brings back fond memories of my travels and the warm hospitality of the Thai people. I encourage you to try making this authentic Thai coconut soup at home and experience Thailand's rich flavors and aromas in your kitchen. First, let's prepare the ingredients. 1 lemon pas stem, trimmed, cut in half lengthways. 2 cm piece galangal, shredded. 1 spring onion shallot, chopped. 1 cup 250 milliliters chicken stock or water. For kaffir lime leaves, stemmed. 120 g skinless chicken breast, cut into thin strips. 2 cup 80 g small straw mushrooms. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. 2 tablespoons lime or lemon juice. 2 cup 825 milliliters coconut milk. 1 bird's eye chili, seeded and finely sliced optional. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh coriander optional. Prepare the cooking. Number 1. Place the lemongrass, galangal, spring onion, and chicken stock in a medium saucepan. Tear each lime leaf in half and add to the saucepan. Bring to a boil. Number 2. Add the chicken, straw sauce, and lime juice. Bring the liquid almost to a boil and simmer for 2 minutes. Number 3. Add the coconut milk and chili. Bring to the boil. Reduce the heat and simmer gently over medium heat for 3 minutes. Number 4. To serve, remove the lemongrass and stir in the coriander. Use tongs to dive the chicken between 4 bowls and pour the soup over. Looking into recipe variation to make a vegetarian soup. Replace the chicken with 1/4 cup diced fresh bean curd between the bowls and pour the hot soup over it. You can also use light soy sauce or bean sauce mashed to a smooth paste to replace the fish sauce. Substitutes. You can use a 1 cm piece of fresh young ginger in place of the galangal. You can use thinly sliced nesh button mushrooms to replace the straw mushrooms. Health Watch. Decrease the fat content in this recipe by replacing half the coconut milk with chicken stock. Cook tips. This soup can be made ahead of time, however, you will need to remove the lemongrass and kaffir thyme leaves after the soup is cooked, as they develop intense flavors that can be overpowering. Serving suggestion. Serve this soup with sliced French bread lightly spread with garlic and herb butter and roast in the oven. For an authentic that mish, garnish each bowl with a whole fest sprig of coriander or a kaffir lime leaf. Wine and drinks. Serve a crisp, dry white wine, such as an unwooted Sauvignon Blanc, with this soup. Did you know? Thai ginger is another name for greater galangal. This edible rhizome has to cream-colored mesh, distinctive pink shoots, and a hot, peppery taste somewhat like ginger. It used to be known in Europe as galangal, and was used as an aphrodisiac. Need any help creating an online business, complete with marketing, sales, funnel integration with a website, landing pages, autoresponder email, or building a relationship with your customer database to passive income? Contact us at dickielim@gmail.com. Website, https://plrsalesfunnel.com.